This one looks a little different. Again, we didn't see as in past cases, we didn't see the Philippine Coast Guard escorting, or at least clearly escorting directly from the east.
Muling nakaranas ng banggaan sa pagitan ng Chinese Coast Guard vessel at supply boat ng Pilipinas ngayong umaga sa pagsasagawa ng RONA mission sa BRP Sierra Madre sa Ayungin Shoal. Sa isang ulat ng Beijing, sinabi nito na alas 5:59 ng umaga nangyari ang insidente. Tumanggi ang Armed Forces of the Philippines na magbigay ng anumang detalye sa nangyaring supply mission. Hindi rin umano nito kikilalanin ang mali at mapanlinlang na pahayag ng Chinese Coast Guard na ang Pilipinas ang may kasalanan sa nangyari. Sa expose naman ni Philippine Coast Guard spokesperson for the West Philippine Sea, Commodore J. Tariela, sinabi nito na ang pagdideploy ng Chinese Amphibious Assault Ship ay upang guluhin ang mga Pilipino scientists na nagsasagawa ng scientific survey sa Skoda Shoal. Ayon naman sa security analyst na si Ray Powell, kakaiba ang ginawang supply mission ng AFP sa pagkakataong ito kumpara sa mga nakalipas na RORE mission sa BRP Sierra Madre.
Again, we've got the one ship down to the southeast. There may be others that I can't see, but things do look a little different. So, that's what we know so far. We know there's one Philippine Coast Guard ship in the area. We hear that there is a Philippine resupply boat that had a collision with some Chinese vessel, and that, quote, control measures were used, which may indicate water cannons. But that's about what we know so far.
Sa isang post ng Chinese state media na Global Times, sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon umano ay idineploy nila ang pinakamalaking landing helicopter dock sa Sabina Shoal. Dati nang may namataan ng PCG na amphibious assault ship sa Sabina Shoal noong June 4 nang magsagawa ng pagsasanay ang China sa lugar. Mula ikaliwang linggo ng Abril ngayong taon, idineploy naman ng Philippine Coast Guard ang pinakamalaking barko nito na BRP Teresa Magbanwa. Ayon kay Powell, nagpapakita ito ng matinding kontesta ng China sa pag-deploy ng BRP Teresa Magbanwa sa lugar.
And I think that China has shown that it is concerned about the fact that the BRP Teresa Magbanwa has been stationed there really since the middle of April, and appears to be just sending a message that it intends to strongly contest the Philippines for control of the shoal.
Samantala, dagdag ni Powell, dapat nang maghanda ang Pilipinas at kaalyadong bansa kung sakaling ituloy nito ang banta ng pag-aresto sa mga Pilipinong mangingisda. Posible daw na mahantong ito sa hostage diplomacy.
Because that could easily turn into a hostage diplomacy kind of situation, where you can imagine there would be a lot of pressure, domestic pressure on the government to get your person back for understandable reasons, and China could try to use that as an opportunity to put additional pressure on the government to make other concessions in other areas.
Ryan Lacanlale, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.